Kids all over the world use 3DuxDesign and recycled cardboard to make amazing cardboard models and structure. But what do you do with the cardboard when you're done with it? Well, we came up with the perfect solution. Since cardboard originally comes from trees, why not use it to give it back to Mother Earth to create more plants? Introducing the Cardboard to Green Gold Challenge. So today we're going to show you how to make seed bombs from recycled cardboard. First, let's talk about the materials that you're going to need. Cardboard, water, scissors, a bowl, towel, and seeds. Optional additional materials include a blender, a filter, cookie cutters, flour, food coloring, or just colorful paper. Now, when choosing your seeds, it's really important to choose only seeds that create plants that are safe for your local community. You can check with local nature centers or your town's Department of Energy and Environmental Protection to make sure that whatever you're planting is safe and healthy for your environment. So once you've collected all the materials, it's time to get started. Start by pouring some warm water into your bowl and then add scraps of all different kinds of recycled paper. Once the scraps are really soft, blend them in a blender or squish them with your hands. Pour this pulp back into your bowl. Then use either a strainer or your hands to get out all of the excess water. Put the pulp on a dry surface and mix in your seeds. Continue to knead and mix and work the material and remove any excess water along the way with paper towels. Once your pulp turns into a freestanding ball, you'll need to let it sit and dry for 2 to 3 days. You can also get creative. We made paper mache with flour and colorful paper and wrapped our bomb so it was nice and pretty on the outside. You can also flatten it out and use your cookie cutter to make fun shapes or even try making it into seed paper. You can find the instructions for these projects on Instructables. Whatever shape you decided, the next step is to plant your seed bomb. Be sure your seeds have adequate water, and once they sprout, plenty of sunlight, and watch the magic happen. It's the perfect way to bring recycled cardboard back to Mother Earth and support the wildlife in your community. Want more fun cardboard construction ideas? Check out our website at www.3duxdesign.com for materials and great cardboard project ideas.